Today we have a customer with concerns of really bad idling, hissy sound, but once he gets on the gas, problems pretty much go away. It's only during idle. Now, a lot of my people might suspect a vacuum leak, and you would be correct. Here we have a PCV hose, and look at this big gash. Maybe they try to fix it, maybe they try to get a temp fix on it, but pretty much this PVC hose was letting out crankcase pressure. A lot of times you'll get really bad idle. RPMs will be all over the place. They have P0171, P0174. A lot of times it's just the mass airflow sensor is measuring air that's going into the engine, and if air is getting into the engine from somewhere else, it's not being accounted for. So then our fuel to air mixture will be kind of all over the place, and we'll be running a little bit more too lean, meaning that there's more air in the system than fuel. And this is why, guys, it's super important to check your vehicle, see what's wrong with it, and get it fixed.